Again, an easy question provided you know some of the direct formulas of quadratic expressions. The formulas related to the maxima and minima of quadratic expressions. Okay. In this case, it is given that the minimum value of the equation ax square plus bx plus c, that means the minimum value of this quadratic is minus 36 at x equal to 4. Now, any quadratic expression of the form ax square plus bx plus c will attain its minima when x is equal to minus b upon 2a. Now, this is attaining its minima at x equal to 4. So, I can say that minus b upon 2a will be equal to 4. So, from here, I can get the value of b in terms of a. So, the value of b in terms of a will be minus 8a. So, this is the first relation that you can keep. Alright. Now, at x equal to 4, the value of the expression is minus 36. This is given. So, I'll substitute x equal to 4 in this expression and equate it to minus 36. Also, f of 12 is given as 28. So, that means when x is 12, the value of this expression is 28. From there, we'll get two more equations. So, let's make these two equations. So, at x equal to 4, substituting here, it will be 16a plus 4b plus c is equal to minus 36, and at x equal to 12, that means 144a plus 12b plus c is equal to 28. Now from here I will eliminate variable c by subtracting first equation from second equation. So second equation minus first equation, 144a minus 16a, that is 128a, plus 12 minus 4 is 8b, and c will cancel, and on the right hand side it will be 28 minus 36, that is 64. Okay. Also from the previous case, I have obtained the value of b in terms of a. So b was minus 8a. So I'll substitute this value of b in this equation. So it will become 128a plus 8 times b. Now b is minus 8a, so it will be 8 times minus 8a is equal to 64. Upon simplifying this, 128a minus 64a, that is 64a is equal to 64, and we'll get the value of a as 1. Okay, now a is 1, we can obtain the value of b. So b, which is equal to minus 8a, its value will be equal to minus 8. Now, using these two values of a and b, substituting here, I'll get the value of c. So, c will be equal to minus 36 minus 16a, that means minus 16, minus 4b, that means minus 4 into minus 8, which will be plus 32. So, the value of c will be minus 20. Alright, so we have obtained the values of A, B and C, and now we'll have to find out the product of these three. We have to find out the product of the coefficients and the constant term. So coefficients are A and B and the constant term is C. So their product will be 1 into minus 8 into minus 20. That is equal to plus 160. So 160 is the product of coefficients and the constant term, and that will be your final answer. All right. So that was question number 7. Pretty easy one once again, provided you know some of the formulas, some of the direct relations for quadratic expressions. So let's move on to question number 8.